Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or off camera flash on iPhone. So, if you want to enable your camera flash, maybe you want to take a picture at night or in the dark, now you need to use the iPhone camera flash for brightness. Then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily enable or disable the iPhone camera flash on your device. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to turn on or turn off camera flash on an iPhone is go ahead and open the camera app. Now once you open the camera app, you want to position your camera on the object you want to snap. So in this case, let's say I want to snap my lens, and now I need the camera flash to get a good capture of the snap. All I just need to do is I can either click on this flashlight icon at the top left to turn it on or turn it off. However, if you want to turn on the camera flashlight on your iPhone, locate this pointed arrow and click on it while you selected photo. So make sure you selected photo and click on this pointed arrow. Here, locate the flashlight button, click on it, then you should see flash auto on and off. Now to turn on flash, just choose on. Then once you choose on, if you see the camera flash highlighted at top left, then go ahead and click on the shutter button. Then you should see the camera flash blinked. You see that? Now to turn off the camera flash, repeat the same thing by clicking on the pointed arrow. Click on the camera flash icon, then off. And that's going to turn off the camera flash icon on your phone. So that is exactly how to turn on or turn off camera flash on an iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.